Hi everybody, my name is Tori Earle and I am an Extension Specialist for 4-H Youth Development with the University of Kentucky College of Agriculture, Food and Environment Cooperative Extension Service. Today I would like to present you one of the self-directed learning modules from the Kentucky 4-H Science, Engineering and Technology Core Project Area. These modules are designed for you to view and learn at your own pace. There will be text, video, review questions, as well as some interactive sections of the modules to aid in your learning and understanding of the subject matter. Please enjoy this and other modules related to the Kentucky 4-H Science, Engineering and Technology Core Project Area. The Ocean Expedition activity, which can be found on page 24 of the Facilitator Guide and page 15 of the Youth Guide, allow youth to play a board game to navigate their ocean robot around the world while learning key ocean concepts. Topics include aquaculture, climate change, innovation, human impact, and the ocean ecosystem. By the end of this activity, youth will be able to identify ways they are connected with the ocean, regardless of where they live, to understand the challenges scientists and engineers face when researching the ocean, to recognize that there is only one ocean on Earth, and to appreciate the mysteries of the ocean and what is still left to discover and learn. The Ocean Expedition game gives players an opportunity to take their ocean robot on a scientific research mission, gathering information from various positive and negative situation cards. Players will also have the chance to utilize either smartphone or website access to view and learn about various hazards faced by their own ocean robot utilizing augmented reality cards. Ocean trivia cards are also supplied with the game to provide an extra challenge for older audiences. Ocean Expedition is designed to be played in different ways with different age groups. Both styles involve the players drawing cards, reading the action on the card, and to move the appropriate number of spaces either forward or backward. The version recommended for grades 2 through 4 does not use the trivia cards in relation to the surface spaces on the board, whereas the version for grades 5 and up does. Detailed instruction on gameplay can be found on pages 26 and 27 of the Facilitator Guide and are included in the Ocean Expedition game box. In this three-part activity, youth will engage by participating in a think, pair, share session about their knowledge of the ocean. Think. Have the group think about the ocean. What are some of the things they know about the ocean, and what are they curious about? Pair. With a partner, discuss these ideas and responses. Then share. Have a member of each group share their group's thoughts. Share with the youth that the ocean remains largely unexplored. Less than 20% of it has been mapped, observed, and explored. Explore by playing the Ocean Expedition game in a group setting. Make meaning by being encouraged them to think about 2 things that they learned that surprised them while they were playing the board game, and have them write them down in their youth guide. Then pair with another member of the group and compare the information they learned, and have the groups share some of their ideas with the larger group and encourage discussion. Now let's take a look at the Ocean Expeditions game. With the Ocean Expedition game, you will have 2 decks of cards, 1 action and augmented reality card stack, and 1 trivia question card stack. You will also have 6 different Ocean Glider game pieces to use during the game, and you will have a game board. The game board is designed to start at embark and to move all the way through, and whoever ends up on mission accomplished first wins the game. Now, you can play it individually where you have 6 people playing. You can play it in teams of 2, 12, or 3 and keep moving on like that. The idea is you will take your Ocean Glider, start at embark, and During this, there are also augmented reality cards. Now these are designed to use with your cell phone or an internet-enabled mobile device. And on the back, there are QR codes. You use the QR code with your phone or with your internet-enabled mobile device. Scan the QR code, it will take you to a website, and these will do augmented reality, which you point it at the board and it comes up as a 3D image on your phone or on your internet-enabled device, and it will let them see different things related to each one. On Embark, it talks about the mission. On Stuck in a Gyre, down here, it would show them what an ocean gyre is. In Sea Ice, if they land on it, it would show them what happens when an ocean glider gets stuck under sea ice. And on Mission Accomplished, it is kind of a celebratory, they have made it. So if they land on one of those spaces, you would use one of these cards. The action cards contain both positive and negative situations. For example, this one says you organized a talk at your community library about the dangers of pollutants discharged in the water. So a person would move ahead 3 spaces. With each of these cards that a participant would draw, they would follow the directions on that card and move forward. Now if you're using this with a younger audience, these spaces right here that say surface, you would just skip over those. If you're using it with an older audience, if they pass over a surface space, they have to stop on it and they have to answer a trivia question from the trivia card deck about the ocean. For example, this one is a true or false question. True or false? Fossils of marine animals can be found on land, like in the Rocky Mountains. Ideally, you would have yourself or someone else in the game read the trivia question, because the answers are also given on there. So you don't want the person that lands on the or that stops on the surface space to see the question and have the answer as well. One of the things we have done with this in the past, since there are both positive and negative cards, the green are the positive cards, the red are the negative cards, we have had people really kind of get stuck because the negative cards have them move backwards. So if you want to do this in a quick manner, you would probably just use the positive cards. If somebody draws a negative card, you just have them turn that back in and utilize the positive cards so everyone is moving forward. Now, some of the positive cards also do have where that one person that is drawing moves forward and the others move back. You can do that. But if you want to make the game move just a little quicker, I would suggest maybe using the positive cards rather than the negative cards during the whole game. And that is Ocean Expedition.